Hey guys, Ryan here. If you do serious gaming on your phone, I want to show you a trick that'll keep your Galaxy S24 Ultra battery healthy for a long time. One of the challenges of mobile gaming is that typically it drains our phone's battery really quickly. This means we either need to be plugged in all the time or keep charging and unplugging our phone, both of which ultimately reduce the battery's lifespan due to increasing number of charging cycles and the durations. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or you're planning to buy one or any other compatible phones with a similar feature, there's a way to completely bypass the battery, never run out of charge, and never worry about the long-term battery health anymore. Now on the S24 Ultra, when I open the gaming hub and go to the game booster from the menu, down in the list there is an option to bypass the battery when it's plugged in. What this means is that when you're gaming and you plug in your phone, you are directly powering your phone instead of charging it. But why is it grayed out and unavailable? Even when I plug it in, it's still not working. That's because you need to have a compatible 25 watt or higher fast charger. So if I do that, then it suddenly becomes available. Now when I start gaming, the battery won't charge anymore. Neither will it lose any charge because we're not using it. But as soon as you're out of the game, it's going to work normally and charge up your phone. If you liked it, let me know and have a look at the tips and tricks in this video next.